How many steps do you need to nest a clip in Premiere Pro? Even if you have assigned the N key as a custom shortcut to nest a clip, you still have to confirm it by clicking OK in the pop-up window, right? I'm a Mac automation expert with over 20 years of experience, and in this video I'd like to show you how to nest a clip with only one keystroke by creating what I like to call a super shortcut. And thanks to an automation method I developed myself over the years, you won't need any coding skills whatsoever and can easily do it yourself. If this is the first time you're watching one of my tutorials, please head over to the shortcut settings in Premiere Pro and make sure you have assigned the following two shortcuts: Timelines, Shift+V, which will highlight the Timelines panel, and Nest, the N key, to start nesting the highlighted clip in your timeline. Last but not least, make sure you have the free trial version of the App Better Touch tool installed on your Mac. Navigate to this icon up here, click on Configuration, and then let's create our new super shortcut. Click on these three little dots up here. Add a new trigger by clicking on the plus symbol in the left column and select Reusable Named Trigger in the right column. Rename it to Auto Nest. If you haven't done it already, add another reusable named trigger, but this time rename it to Workflow Speed. Click on the plus symbol in the middle column, select the action called Pause Execution, Delay Next Action Blocking from the drop-down menu in the right column, and set its value to 0.05 seconds. Now highlight our Auto Nest trigger again and add the first action to our workflow by clicking the plus symbol in the middle column. We have to make sure the Timelines panel is highlighted, otherwise nesting wouldn't work. So in the drop-down menu in the right column, click into this blue text field and hit Shift+V on your keyboard to record the shortcut as an action. Add another action called Trigger Named Trigger and write Workflow Speed into the text field in the right column. Now duplicate this action a couple of times and make sure that all actions of our workflow are separated by one of these Workflow Speed trigger actions. This allows us to adjust the overall speed of the automation at the end very easily. Now record the keyboard shortcut N as our next action, copy the Workflow Speed trigger action and paste it like this, and then record the Enter key as the next keyboard shortcut action in our workflow. Then add an action called Delay Next Action Blocking and set the delay in the right column to 0.2 seconds. And the last action you want to add is called Show HUD Overlay, which will serve as a subtle visual confirmation that the workflow has ended. In the right column, click into the text area and insert the green checkmark emoji, for example. Set the duration to 0.2 seconds, set it to screen with mouse and change the position to @mouse location. Offset it a little bit by changing the X value to 2 and Y to -5. Set the window level to maximum float on top and change the HUD's width and height to 90 pixels. Finally, make sure to set the opacity of both the background and border color to 0, and our AutoNest super shortcut is ready to use. Now all that's left is to assign a trigger to our workflow. To do so, click on this little keyboard icon up here, then click on the plus symbol and now record any key combination you like. I'm going to assign it to a key of this used additional keyboard I have prepared in order to turn it into a really fancy customized Stream Deck for Premiere Pro. So in my case, I pressed this key and changed the trigger condition from Works on all keyboards to Works on keyboards with same type as used for recording to avoid activating the workflow when I press the same key on my regular keyboard. When your key combination is saved, click on the plus symbol in the middle column, add the action called Trigger Named Trigger and type the name of our reusable named trigger into this text field in the right column. From now on, all you need to do is to select a clip in your timeline, hit the assigned shortcut, and your clip will be nested way faster and in only one step. And if you found this video helpful, please consider returning the favor by hitting the like button down below and by subscribing to my channel. I have planned literally hundreds of new tutorials already and I upload 4 new videos every week. Thanks for watching.